Yo, what's good, everybody? Hope everybody having a great day. Thank you guys for tuning in to this video. I'm just heading to the gym right now. In this rain. In this rain and in traffic. I usually go around this time, but it's no traffic. But I probably should have waited a little later to go, but it's all good. But I'm actually glad it's raining because the weather has been so hot lately. It's been heating up. So thank God for the rain. Yo guys, I ain't gonna lie, something crazy happened last night. So me and my girlfriend, we was driving after getting some dry pot last night, and I was on the highway. Next thing you know, I hear like a loud noise with something like, it sounded like something hit me, but I didn't feel the car shake up or nothing like that, right? So I look in my rear view mirror and I just see smoke coming from the back of my car. Next thing you know, I get the tire pressure is low error message on my dashboard. So I'm like, fuck, my damn tire blew the fuck up. The tire blew up on us last night. But I ain't gonna lie, that shit was crazy, cause like I didn't hit nothing, I didn't go in no hole, I didn't go in no pothole. The thing just blew up on its own. So we had to, luckily the exit was right there, so I took us off the exit, and then I located to the nearest tire shop. Luckily they was open 24 hours because this happened at 11 p.m. last night. So I drove there very slowly, went to the tire shop, and then they could put on the my spare emergency tires for me. So that's how I'm driving right now. And it has happened before. I have tire issues with the car. Like that's probably my most problem with this car is tire issues. And I'm thinking like, oh, like in the past I'm thinking like, oh, maybe because I drove over a pothole, or I hit something or something, you know, I drove the tires onto something. But nah, last night was just nothing. Like I didn't hit nothing, I didn't run over nothing, no hole, no pothole. I was just driving normally like this. The next thing you know, boom, the tire damn exploded in the back. The damn tire exploded. So I was like, shit, bro. So yeah, that's my only issue with this car. It's like the tires. Like nothing else. Everything else is fine. Like engine, everything else is good. But it's just the tires. Let me see how many. I think I had to replace the tires about 2 times already. And then now it's gonna have to be my 3rd time because I can't use the emergency tires forever. You know, I gotta put back on original tires. But I'm thinking what I might do, I might change all 4 of the tires one time and done, instead of repeating the process of replacing the tire, and having it give me issues and then replacing the, you know what I'm saying? So I might just change all 4 tires into like a good quality tire and just call it a day, you know? Cause this is crazy, yo. Like I'm having tire issue after tire issue, you know? Let me see if I can fit here. I'm having tire issue after tire issue. Like it's crazy. And it sucks too, because I'm not trying to be replacing tires every minute. And like the only possibility that I can think of that happened was the too much heat, because last night it was really hot and the car is blowing off heat from the exhaust. So I'm guessing it was the heat, excessive heat, because it only happened to the back right tire, and that's where my exhaust is, back there. So I'm guessing like too much heat, and I felt the tire. It was pretty hot. But I don't know how that works though. Like I was like, damn, yo, my damn tire done blew up. That's crazy. Oh, it's not raining much no more. That's good. Cause I put on this sweater just to come outside. Like I'm in short pants right now. Got the legs out. I didn't get much sleep last night, and I'm going to the damn gym. Should be alright though. Got a spot right here. I'll just take this one right here. Oh boy. For me, I guess. Alright, y'all. Thank y'all for watching the video. I'm gonna see y'all again next week. This video won't get posted this week. I'm gonna make sure I make more videos for y'all. I appreciate, you know, y'all tuning in and stuff. All right, peace.